A good day, guys. Good day, guys. Back to action. We are not going anywhere. We are here to stay in UK49 with 4 draws. I'm so happy because my codes, they came right. The first code on the Betway draw, it was 107. It gave us what? It gave us a 3 and a 17, which came. Now it gave us a 7 and a 17. Did you see that, guys? I hope you guys saw exactly how it happened. And that 34, it came as a 3-4. She also gave us a what? A 48 and a 47. You see, these codes, they will never give you. They'll, like, these codes are good because even the 4 came from 4, 8, 9. Remember, it was 4, 48, as I told you. Okay, cool. So let's move on to tea time. You know what I'm doing here? I do Betway, I do the original draw. We won't stop. Let us start with the Betway one. It's 4, 2, 6, 3. So with this one, we can say 42, 24, 26, 29, 43, 34. Because Betway will hit first and then the other one will come after. So after you're going to add 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 3 is a 15. Watch out. So the bonus here, let me see. The bonus was 47. So it means on your bonuses, you have to choose. It's either the bonus can be 40 or 12 or 5 or 19 or 26. On what? On the Betway draw. Am I clear on that, guys? On the Betway draw, the bonus might be 26 or 40 or 12 or 5 or 19. And then let's move on to our original draw then. The one which makes people crazy. Okay, it's 118. Okay. I'm going to crash this. Who's this guy? Joshan, eh? It's Joshan or Dev? Somewhere around that corner. Okay, 1 plus 18 is 19. 1 minus that is 17. Don't be scared, Tim. Don't stress. And then it's 11, it's 8. The banker for tonight can be 11 or 8 or 28. These are the bankers for tea time. Don't be scared. Don't be scared about UK49. I'm still alive. As long as I'm still alive, you guys are still on Sapiens. Okay, so we're going to add everything. 1 plus 1 plus 8 is a 10. A 10 that just dropped, so we won't focus on that one for now. We're just gonna give it a question mark. Okay, let's move on to the second chord. We are coming with fire this time. 439, which is 4 plus 3, 4 plus 39. That's a what? 4 plus 39. It's a 43. 43 is a killer number, and 34. These numbers, trust me. 39 minus 4 is a 35. 35 is 35. And then as you can see there, we've got what? A 39. We've got it. Is it a 36 on the other hand? So a 43 is a 34. We also have a 49. 49, 46. This is another dangerous number. 49, 46. So keep it there in your eyes that you know what? There's 49, there's 46. Okay, cool. So let's move on to this other code. It says 49. 490, which is a 46, 0, of which is giving us a 40, a 49, a 46. If you add up all those numbers, it will give us a 13 or 31. If we subtract, it gives us a 5. Do you see now? You add or subtract. That is how you break your codes. It's all about adding and subtraction. Okay, cool. Let's do the last code, which is 464. 464 code also gave us, do you know what? It gave us a 44 during the day. So it's okay. We're going to add or subtract. 46 plus 4 is a 50. A 50, which is a 5. So 5 is a living number. If we subtract, it's a 42. 42, 24. If we somerset the number, it gives us a 49 or 46. So we are sure that 49, 46 is going to be a killer number. Let me see. And 11, I told you. So you can bank maybe with 11 or 9 or 11 or 8 or 28. You can say 8, 1 to 49, 8 or 11, 1 to 49 or 28, 1. But then I don't recommend that because it's like guesswork. I just want to hit straight. I don't like this thing of guesswork. So let me just give you a set of numbers that you guys have to play. Okay, cool. Let us go. We're gonna say 11, 19, 16. We go there, we say 18. Actually, it's an 8. It's an 8, 28. 28. And then we say 43, 34. we say 39, 36, we say for let me see, 35, we go again and say 40, go at the bottom, we say 5, come again and say 42, 24. So as for the set of your bonuses, yes, I'm sure 19 has to drop. 19 has to drop. It has to drop on UK49s. I wanted to give you bonuses, man. I'm not sure if I have to do that or what, because at the let me see, it gives me that. No, anyway, let's keep this as it is. So as for your bonuses, you're gonna say 5, 12, 19, 26, 33. No, I'm wrong, sorry, let's cancel that. I want to give you the bonuses. The bonuses can be 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. You know, this is dangerous. Exactly what I posted is dangerous, because if I say 28, it can be the bonus, then you can bank with 28. If I say maybe, because you know the way I see these numbers, I said you can just play them as bonuses or singles. So let's say single or bonus ball. Okay, so what you can do, you can just make a screenshot and then you do on pairing. We are working, guys, we shall prosper. So if ever you're interested on getting maybe the books, this is the number. You can even place an order, and then when you get your money, you know that you can always pay. It's okay. Thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow. But I hope you're going to boom today. If you follow exactly what I did, you're going to boom.